Leo, you want to check out the snow? It's very light snow. Very light snow, Leo. It's pretty cold, Leo. It's pretty cold. Are you purring? Oh. God damn it. Okay. Okay. Aren't you cold? Aren't you cold, Leo? I'm cold. I am pretty cold. Are you gonna try to eat the grass? Yeah, of course you are. Leo. Leo. Boop. 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 Leo. What was that? What was that sound? Leo. Leo, you don't like it. Boop. Oh. Yeah. 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 Are you gonna go back in? Leo, I think it's time to go back in. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? Don't go, don't, God damn it, Leo. Leo, don't go under the car. Do not. I'm gonna leave you out here. I'm leaving you out here if you do that. Leo. Motherfucker. You son of a bitch.